Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Oui, parlez-vous français? Well, we're gonna make the viral sensation of the croquis, the croissant with your cookie dough. But it's usually made with chocolate chip cookie dough, but why don't we just jazz it up and make some variations? So we're gonna add a different twist today. We're gonna make the croquis with white chocolate macadamia nut. I'm just using some store-bought, pre-made cookie dough. You can use whatever flavor you like. This is the flavor I wanna try. I have some croissant bread, the regular large ones. You need a serrated knife, so you just need 2 ingredients, your croissant bread and your pre-made cookie dough, or you can make it from scratch, whatever you like. And you need a serrated knife. So I'm gonna slice our croquis, croissant rather. You just wanna have like an even slit, like this. Let's get our cookie dough going. So I would say grab like 4 pieces. And then kind of like make it into a log. Big log. And we're just gonna open up the croissant and kind of smash it in here. Put our cookie dough inside of our croissant, all smushed in. And we're gonna do a little decoration outside. So we take a little bit more cookie dough and you put right here on the outside. This is how I've seen them done, like in pictures from the Paris bakery and stuff. And some people do each of the corners as well, but maybe we'll do one like that and one without it. Okay. And you're gonna bake this according to the directions on your package. This one is 10 to 12 minutes. We're actually gonna put it on our air fryer on bake mode. So let's decorate this. Okay, our cookie dough here. And then we're gonna bake it on 350 according to the package for, I'm gonna start with 10 minutes. All you really wanna do, since the croissant is fully cooked, it's just gonna get a little bit crispy. We don't want it to get dark, and that the cookie dough will cook and become soft, ooey, and gooey. Croissants, A and B5, macadamia nut cookie dough, small amounts of A, iron, calcium, niacin, thiamine, folic acid, and riboflavin, macadamia nut, A, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, and folate, white chocolate chip, B12, calcium, potassium, riboflavin. Okay, so I have my air fryer on match cook because this is a dual, and I'm just gonna put it on bake, and it comes up to 325. I'm gonna move it up to 350 as this says, and it starts off with 15 minutes, but I'm gonna drop it down to 10, and if I need the extra 2 minutes, I'll redo it. So putting in my croquis here, so I can fit 2 of these nicely, and then we'll be back to look and taste it. And here are a list of ingredients. Okay, so our white chocolate macadamia nuts have come out, and I am just dusting it with a little confectioner sugar just for presentation. You cannot do this, it's optional. You cannot do it or do it. So, inequality is a root cause of food insecurity for people of color. So Gio, pick your croquis, put it on your plate because it's going to be nice and flaky. And so Gio's going to taste it and let us know, and then I'll give you my opinion.
Well, let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Definitely tastes like a croissant and a cookie together. The sweet and the salty blend together real well. The little added powdered sugar on top makes it real nice too. And overall, it's just a nice, crispy, crunchy, sweet dessert.
I want to show you what inside kind of looks like. So it's nice and ooey and gooey, like a smash cookie dough is what it is. So this is where all the goodness happens in here. And you can see all those beautiful white chocolate chips in here. and the macadamia nuts as well. So I'm gonna give it a whirl and taste it myself. Obviously it tastes sweet because of the cookie dough, but it's not overly sweet. The flakiness of the croissant really adds a beautiful element to it. This would pair very nicely with some iced coffee, if you like iced coffee or hot coffee, or a nice cold glass of milk, whatever milk that you drink. Super easy to make. If you're not looking for your own pre-made, dough, if you want to make your own dough, that's fine. But make this at home. Kids will love it. Your guests will love it. And Gio and I will see you in our next video. Remember, be good to yourself and God bless you. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.